this is called tas-heel. This method, it's written like this in the Quran, by the way. This word, it's a, then another hamza, a, then ayn sakina, أأعجمي. This is how it's written in the Quran, or this is the origin of the word, not how it's written. This is the origin. But here, look at this. We have hamza followed by another hamza followed by ayn. Do you know the izhar letters, the throat letters? Hamza, ha, ayn, ha, ghain, and kha, right? These
Yeah.
6 letters of izhar, we name them the throat letters. These letters are the most hardest letters ever in the language we pronounce. Why? Because they come out from the throat, you know? So these are the hardest letters ever in the Quran because they are very deep, you know? Look at this. It's a with hamza when it's in the sukun state, a with ha, with ayn, with ha, with ghain, with kha, so very very heavy. And I don't mean heavy like a heavy sound. I mean heavy like tough, like strong, very deep, and it comes out from the deepest part. I mean the throat. Get my point? So that's why it's
Yeah.
it's hard to pronounce, not only for you guys as native, but even for us as Egyptians or as Arabs. It's very hard. So in Arabic or in Quran, if we have a throat letter, which is a hamza, followed by another throat letter, which is another hamza, followed by a third throat letter, which is ayn. So this is
Right.
very, very hard to pronounce. Very hard to pronounce. And how to fix this problem? This is a problem now. How to fix it? Well, we make something named in the Tajweed, and this is, by the way, this is only once in the Quran. And this is not a rule. It's not a rule for our riwayah Hafs. It's a rule for different riwayat. But in our one, in Hafs and Asim, our one we use, this is not a rule, just once in the Quran. Okay, like we name it as exception. Farsh, this is how it's named, and it's in English exception. Exception. Okay, so how we deal this one exception, like this is an exception, how we deal it? Well, we use a method or a function named tas-heel. Tas-heel. What does the word tas-heel mean? Tas-heel from the word sahl. Sahl means to make something easy, you know? Easy. It was hard, then you make it easy to pronounce. Okay, so we make tas-heel. So what does it mean? Until now I still don't understand. Well, which letter makes the word harder to pronounce? The first one is a, doesn't make something, the first one is a, doesn't make it hard. But the second hamza makes it hard because it's then another a. Then this is ayn sakina, So the second one makes the word harder to pronounce. Okay? Usually the first one
Yeah.
is easy to pronounce because this is the first letter in the word a. Okay? And here the third one, which is ayn, you can just join it أعجمي, so it's not hard. But the middle one makes it harder. أأعجمي, right? So this one we make tasheel with it. So usually we make the seal to the second hamza. We make the seal to the second hamza, the second letter, not the first. Okay. So what does the word tasheel mean? Tasheel means I will make the pronunciation of hamza easy. What does it mean? Well, I will not be pronouncing hamza as a clear hamza. I will not be pronouncing hamza as a hamza 100%. So I will not be pronouncing hamza as a. And on the other hand, I will not pronounce hamza as a mad letter, which is as a mad letter, alif mad, because this is alif mad. No, I will pronounce it in a level between a proper hamza and a mad letter. So something here, something in between. So this is what does the word tasheel mean, or this is what should we do with the second hamza. We pronounce it at that level. It's not a pure a, and it's not a. So we don't say a. Look at the second one. I don't say it a like the first one. The first one is a, but the second I will not be saying a. And on the other hand, I will not convert it to be mad. I will not say أعجمي. أعجمي. No, I will be pronouncing the second hamza in a level between this one, which is hamza, and this one, which is a mad letter. So it becomes like this. Ha, ha, ha. So it's not a from the deepest part of the throat. So it's not a from the deepest part of the throat. A, and on the other hand, it's not a. It's in between, which is ha, 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 ha. Very easy. So it becomes a, ha, a, ha, a, 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 أعجمي 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 أعجمي. Look at the first one. A. The second is a. أعجمي أعجمي a. أعجمي. Get my point?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. So can you just pronounce the second one? I need to pronounce it from you. It's ha. Don't start with Hamza. No, now you start with Hamza. No, we need it. Very easy. Floating, floating. Yeah, make it floating, but without in the beginning, because this is a proper Hamza. It's just ha, 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 ha. No, not from the deepest part of the throat. Don't make it from the throat. It's just ha, ha, ha. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. Then the first one is a. So ha, أعجمي ha, أعجمي أعجمي. Okay?
أعجمي.
No, not like this. Then أعجمي. It's written in the Quran with a dot on the top. It's then the second Hamza, which you're gonna make this heel with, it becomes like this. Like a dark dot.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
أعجمي. So this one, how it's written in the Quran. So this sign means tas-heel method. Okay, to ease it, to ease this alif. So try to do it. A, a, أعجمي 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 أ أ أع أع أعجمي. Yeah, do it.
أعجمي.
No, one more.
أعجمي.
No. Yes, like this. Then make it floating. Can you just say floating, something float. Yeah. The first one is yeah, the first one is a proper hamza. A. Then a a a أعجمي.
أعجمي.
Yeah, no.
This is gonna.
Yeah, it's tricky. That's why I'm recording. I'm gonna send you the recording, by the way, don't worry.
Thank.
Yeah. So again, but make sure to make this one as floating, floating. And this is a proper hamza. A proper hamza. So this is applied 100%, and this is like floating, not applied 100%. So it's not from the throat clearly like a. No, just say a. Look at this how it's floating, and not ha. Some people make it ha. No, not a ha. No, it's ha, ha. As you see mad, do you know for mad? Just take a small piece of it. Ha. Okay, so a a أعجمي أع a a a a a أعجمي. The only point is don't clear this hamza. The second one, don't make it clear. No, just
Yeah.
like and you can separate to make it easy for you. The first one is clear, a, then put it away now. The second one is ha. Then ha, ha, ha. Then put a in the beginning. A, ha, a, a, ha, a, a, ha. This one is ha, 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 ha. Then a, ha. You understand what I'm doing? Here you
Yeah.
can divide this. A, then أعجمي.
Yeah.
Okay,
A,
so this
a,
is a
a,
separate, then أعجمي,
a,
أعجمي,
Jimmy.
أعجمي, أعجمي,
A,
أعجمي. This is
a,
alone named
Jimmy.
أعجمي, أعجمي,
A,
أعجمي.
a,
Then أعجمي.
Jimmy.
Yeah.
Jimmy.
أع أ أع أعجمي، أعجمي.